Case Study. Box Hill Art School App. Developed by Kelly Santos. Project Overview. About the project. This project aimed to design a digital platform for Box Hill Art School, providing streamlined access, purchasing, and enrollment processes for art courses, while enabling seamless communication and management for stakeholders. Key objectives included: facilitate shop access, provide school notifications, and enable in-app purchasing and enrollment. It started in January 2023 and had a duration of 5 months. The problem. Box Hill Art School was facing low customer reach, low engagement, and limited direct marketing opportunities. The goal of this project was to design a personalized app for Box Hill Art School that harmoniously catered to both the business and user needs. My role in this project was front-end UX design. I was responsible to use the design thinking methodology to accomplish user research, create user personas, user flows, ideate, organize the information architecture, design wireframes and interactive prototypes, design interactions and animations, conduct usability testing, iterating and refining designs. About the design thinking methodology. It is a human-centered problem-solving approach that involves a series of iterative steps. It begins with empathizing with users to understand their needs, followed by defining problems and goals. Then, it moves into ideating potential solutions, prototyping and testing them, and iterating based on feedback to develop a robust and user-centric solution. Understanding the users, user research, personas, user journey map, pain points, findings. User research personas. 3 personas emerged from the studies: Anela, Ned, and Paul. One of precious information that guided the app ideation was the Paul persona. His statement was, "Paul is a busy engineer who seeks a solution to balance work, workouts, quality time with family, and personal well-being. He aims to manage his daily routine effectively and achieve a healthy work-life balance." User research, user journey map. Mapping Paul's user journey highlighted the significant benefits of providing users with a dedicated Box Hill Art School app. The current user journey was found to be time-consuming and stressful, emphasizing the need for a more efficient and user-friendly solution. User research pain points. 3 pain points were highlighted along the research. 1. Exhausting online enrollment. 2. Lack of artworks incentives and communication. 3. Lack of convenient features. For the exhausting online enrollment, it was found that it was due to the non-personalized website that was outdated, repetitive enrollment steps, and unstored personal data. The proposed solution was a streamlined, inclusive app design. For the lack of artworks incentives and communication, it was found that the artworks were never online exhibited, and communication among peers, tutors, and staff was difficult. The suggestion was to develop an in-app artwork exhibition and chat space for easier communication. For lack of convenient features, it was found that the users expressed a need for a bag and checkout area, calendar, shop functionality, multiple profiles view, and an arts interests area. The proposition was to incorporate these features into the new app design. User research summary. After surveys, interviews, and observational research were employed, the findings revealed that users required improved control over payments, profiles, and personal details. Additionally, the research emphasized the importance of promoting student artwork and communication among peers and staff members. Desired features such as news and a calendar, as well as an emphasis on user-friendliness and inclusivity, were pointed during the research. Design and prototype. Paper wireframes, digital wireframes, low-fidelity prototype, mock-up, high-fidelity prototype. Paper wireframes. Paper wireframes were designed for the app to elucidate the interaction process between the school and users. Additionally, stakeholders' expectations and potential solutions were outlined through drafting. Digital wireframes. Digital wireframes were designed to visualize the layout and provide a rough representation of the content. Low-fidelity prototype. A low-fidelity prototype was developed based on the completed set of digital wireframes. Mockups. A completed set of digital mockups was developed, such as splash screen, sign-in screen, authentication screen, shop page, course page, dashboard, calendar, chat, menu, cart, favorites, and account page. High-fidelity prototype. A high-fidelity prototype was created, and the primary user flow focused on landing in a shop, enabling users to purchase a course, enroll students, and manage student progress, appointments, and enabling interactions with classmates and staff. Test. Low-fidelity usability test. High-fidelity usability test. Iterations. Usability study. Findings. 2 rounds of usability studies were conducted. Findings from the first study helped guide the designs from wireframes to mockups. The second study used a high-fidelity prototype and revealed what aspects of the mockups needed refining. Usability study. Low-fidelity findings. 1. Not everyone understands that an arrow pointing back indicates a return to the previous screen. 2. Difficulty to finding the feature to send a message to group project 1. 3. Difficulty completing the task due to a lack of tutorial. Iterations. Low fidelity. After analyzing the feedback, we noticed that a significant number of participants experienced stress due to the limited interactivity of the low-fidelity prototype and missed the textual cues to proceed. Based on the findings, it was decided moving forward with this design and conducting further testing to determine whether users encounter similar challenges while interacting with the high-fidelity prototype. Usability study. High-fidelity findings. 1. A button for sign-up is missing on the portal's account page. 2. The zoom feature for course guard images is currently unavailable. 3. The account page lacks the functionality to manage subscriptions and attendance. Iterations. Early designs allowed for some iterations after the usability studies. First item. Problem. The button for sign-up was missing on the portal's account page. Solution. In this case, the buttons sign in and sign up were added to the portal card. Second item. Problem. The option to visualize course card's image was unavailable. Solution. In this case, the ability to visualize the picture was added on the course card. Third item. Problem. The account page lacks the functionality to manage attendances. Solution. In this case, the option Manage Attendance was added to the account menu. Refining the design. High-fidelity prototype and accessibility considerations. High-fidelity prototype, final version. This version represents a more polished and refined rendition of the user interface and interactions, closely resembling the intended look and feel of the final product. Accessibility was deeply considered along this study. 1. Navigation icons were labeled. 2. Protanope, Deuteranope, and Tritanope vision test was checked. 3. Color contrast was also checked. Plus, takeaways and acknowledgement. Takeaways. Impact. The app makes users feel relieved, since all the process to browse, purchase, and enroll is now easy and fast. Paul's quote, "I am very surprised with the new app. Now I can enroll to the courses in the weekends." What was learned? The main lesson is that basing the project in the user's needs is the key to achieve a robust result. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching. Kelly Santos, UX designer.